Okay, so let's talk about pollution. First, let's talk about polluted water. Fresh water only makes up 1% of the water on Earth, so we need to do our best to make sure that we're taking care of the fresh water that we have. Point source pollution is a form of pollution where we know where it's coming from. Maybe it's a factory pipe, a leaking landfill, storage tank. We can directly see the pollution coming through and we're able to identify the source. Non-point source pollution is things that we don't know the origins of. This could be runoff of oil from the streets, construction sites, pesticides from farms, basically anything that has traveled far enough that we no longer know where the pollution is coming from. Negative health effects of water pollution include damage to major organs, birth defects, infectious diseases, and certain types of cancer, just to name a few. And contaminated fresh water can sicken or kill aquatic life, making it dangerous to eat these fish, and also making it impossible to or unhealthy for us to go swimming in these lakes or ponds that are contaminated. Here is an example of point source pollution. This polluted water is coming from over here and being put into the environment. So this is one source of point source pollution. Here's just some polluted water. You can see the discoloration, so you can think that maybe it would not be best to drink this water or swim in this water, and it's probably unlikely that anything can live in this water. Here's a table I want you to take a look at. There's going to be some homework questions about this table, so make sure you get comfortable with it. On the left-hand column, we have types of pollutions, and then examples of each of those types, and then sources that pollution comes from in this column here, and then the negative health effects on the right-hand side. So you can see that, let's say, type of pollution is inorganic chemicals. Examples include acids or toxic metals. The sources of this pollution include industrial effluent, urban runoff, household cleaners. And then the effect that this can have is that it can poison fresh water and can sicken those who drink that water. Air is going to be the next point of pollution that we're going to talk about. Pollution changes the chemical composition of air. So for fossil fuel combustion used in transportation is the main form of air pollution. Vehicles are going to release carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, soot, and other pollutants, and it creates smog. Smog is not nice. It looks very gross. We can take a look here. On the left, we have smoggy air here, and in the same location, this is what clear air looks like. Okay. We could also have acid rain. When power plants release sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide into the air, we're going to end up with acid rain. Some of the major public health problems leading or coming from air pollution include the development of asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, and lung cancer. And air pollution alone is responsible for about 200,000 deaths a year worldwide. So this is an interesting table. I want you to take a look at. It is the air quality of Los Angeles from 1995 through to 2020. So if it's purple, it's really bad air quality. If it's green, that means it's really good air quality. You can see in 1995, the worst year as far as air quality goes, and then it gradually gets better as the years go on. But most of the bad air quality happens in the summer. And then what I want you to also notice is that this is really up to date. It's 2020 up to April. And this green area is the best air quality that we've had in Los Angeles, or that Los Angeles has had in the past, 25 years. Think about in the past month, why would air quality, if transportation is a form or the main source of air pollution, why would air quality have been so good over the past month or month and a half? Okay, we're going to come back to this.